In the heart of every home lies a complex network of pipes, silently working to ensure our comfort and well-being. But what happens when these vital lifelines develop leaks beneath the surface? Water leaks, like silent intruders, can go unnoticed, wreaking havoc on your property and finances. But fear not, for there's a hero beneath the surface: advanced underground leak detection technology. Detecting and repairing leaks early can result in significant cost savings. Water, gas, and other resource losses can be expensive, and the cost of repairs may be substantially lower if the issue is addressed promptly. Meet the guardians of your water infrastructure, the leak detectives. Armed with cutting-edge technology, they embark on a mission to unveil hidden leaks before they become catastrophic. Using state-of-the-art ground-penetrating radar and sensitive acoustic sensors, these experts listen to the Earth's whispers and decipher the language of leaks. Every anomaly is meticulously analyzed, and the leak detectives pinpoint the exact location of the underground culprit, preventing unnecessary property damage. Thanks to these unsung heroes, homeowners can rest easy, knowing that their property is safeguarded against the silent threat of leaks lurking beneath. Trust the experts at Arkansas Underground Leak Detection. Contact us today at 501-850-6674 or visit arkansasleaks.com, because safeguarding your property is not just our mission, it's our commitment to your safety and security.